to me.
Depression. Alright, let's go. Make some omelets. Hey, how's it going, guys? We are going to make a scrapyard run today and a trash run today. We have to scrap the exhausts, the rotors, the door that we have. Unfortunately, we can't scrap the wheels because they do have the tires mounted. So hopefully my friend Luigi can help dismount them. But other than that, the girlfriend's making an omelet, or omelets, for breakfast. Oh yes.
It broke. Itadakimasu. Good?
So good. You're the best. Let's give you a room tour of the girlfriend's room. This is Fridge. Her little bunnies. Look at what she embroidered. All her board games. And this makes my OCD very happy. All the brushes, wardrobe, headbands and such, sunglasses. Everything's so nice and neat. Well, right now we are gonna go to Luigi's, get the tires dismounted, and then we make a scrapyard run to scrap all the metal, and then we go make a trash run. Sounds good? Hey, how's it going? We just finished the scrapyard run, and now this is how much cleaner the garage is. So we haven't like power washed the floor or anything, but it's a lot better. I can actually work without worrying about
Bumping elbows and things.
hitting the walls, the shelves. My neighbor still needs to take this store at his place. She just traced all the inserts and cut everything out, and this is how she's looking so far.
Here. Do you want to label these? Or is that like too much?
Nah, it's alright.
Oh no!
What? Does it fit?
No, because you put it way too up. Some on the fly adjustments. Snug. There we go.
It looks so good.
Oh, come out!
Just let it be.
No! Let's go inside. I'm hungry.
Hi, Hungry. I'm Brandon. Are you ready for these dad jokes? I swear she loves me.
I feel like if you say it enough, it might be true.
You know what? Ow. Right cap don't work, bro.
It does. You just gotta do it right. You just gotta align it with the lid.
These wheels finna be clapped.
Don't hurt my feelings like that, man.
Alright, I'm jacking up on the side skirt, bro.
Oh my god.
No, jack it up on the door.
Me?
Yeah.
We just did one.
We just left. It's just us two. What time is it? 11.
Midnight.
Just about midnight. I'm starting to tap. How about you?
I got so much energy.
Yo, I don't know how she's doing it. I'm exhausted. We got it looking good though. Oof. The phone says we're at about -8. So we're gonna call it a day. The fronts still need to be machined. Like the top hats need to be machined since it's the Civic. But yeah. So we're probably gonna head to her house and then head to bed. Anything else to say to the vlog?
I don't support camber on Subarus.
Good thing this is an SI. Alright, good night y'all. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.